holding the closer, not letting it straight. Follow this, and then there's a lot of trip hazards. Oh, I'm falling. Okay. Over there. So we're gonna change all this up. Put a new one in here and fix it.
All right, we're just about ready to remove the pump over here to the left. But before we do that, we need to close that inlet. Here we got this PVC cap. We're gonna screw it on. And that will keep all the water from entering the pump and the rest of the system. Now with the cap on, we can start removing the pieces over here so that not all the water in the system will leave. Mohammed?
Supposed to make it tight. Right?
Cleaning all the gunk out of the tray so that when the water comes down, it doesn't get clogged up or anything like that.
Here we are, just about ready to finalize the connection between our pump and the rest of the plumbing to the NFT. You can see the pipe goes up and across and connects to our hose on the other side. It remains out of the way so we don't have any tripping hazards. It should be very safe this way for any of our guests, visitors, and students inside the greenhouse.
So I learned a lot about the system. I learned how to, glue pipes right here. Oh, PVC pipe.
We first took out the old ones and replaced them with new ones. Before we put the new ones in, we cleaned them.
Okay.
And then we attached all the pipes and The most fun was taking out this whole table, taking everything out, taking out the system. Also learning about the gluing and priming it, which was really fun to do.
So I knew it has to be like that, like going down. So it goes to the bucket and stuff like that. And I also know how to connect the pipes and how to glue them.
I learned to work together as a team. I learned that if everybody puts in a little bit of work, we could accomplish a lot.
Being able to work with everyone.
Actually, let me say.